Welcome everyone. As you can see, I've decided to do Star Wars again this week. This is, my research shows me that this is a Bespin cloud car pilot. I don't even remember owning this one, but it appears he had binoculars or something here. I guess, what they call them? Oh, macro binoculars is what they called in Star Wars, wasn't it? Because that's, it appears that brings it right up to his eyes. Has a holster, no sidearm in it, so he must have had a weapon at some point. Belt goes around his back. No real details on the stripe across the back. Show up there like there. Got some pauldrons in there, gloves. He's got the goggles on. I always thought characters with goggles were cool for some reason. Just, I don't know why. Just sort of tickled my fancy, I reckon. Overall, pretty nice looking character. I'm not. I don't remember ever playing with him or buying him, but his legs are loose, so I used him for something at some point. I think I have a vehicle downstairs. It's not the full cloud car, but it's the Bespin cloud car color, so it might have been from Bespin. But honestly, I thought it was from Jabba's Palace, but I'm getting sidetracked here. It does have not insignia, but got a dot there on his uniform. No details to it, just a silver dot. Cool. Like I say, I think it's cool with the striped helmet, or I think that's just a good looking. To me, that's a good looking action figure. But I wish I had more to say about him, but I don't. I don't think I ever even had the cloud cars, so that's sort of. I don't know why I bought the pilot, other than probably because he was available and I didn't have him, so I needed another Star Wars figure. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.